Hello, Viking friends all around the world. Many of us wished we were on a ship right now, exploring the world in comfort, being surrounded by friendly faces, all eager to connect cultures around the world. And though we'll have to wait a little bit longer to all be sailing together again, I've just set foot back on board one of our ocean ships for the first time this year. And I can tell you, it feels really good. Absence definitely makes the heart grow fonder, as they say, and it was great to see all our colleagues on board getting ready for this coming year. Until we're reunited, several of you have suggested we perhaps give you a behind-the-scenes tour from on board one of our ships. So that's what we're going to do on Monday, when you get to see what goes on behind closed doors on a Viking ocean ship. So first, Kaptein Olav Søvdesnes invites us to the bridge on board the Viking Star here in Norway, where he gives us a very thorough introduction to his home away from home. And then we join Chef Thomas on his galley tour and end up in the engine room with Chief Engineer Dag Austad, who shows us how the ship is run from there. And we also will have live on hand for you on Monday Kaptein Atle Knutsen, who many of you know. They're ready to answer any questions you may have, and he looks forward to that. Then we shift gears and time and travel to the age of the Inca on Tuesday, when Viking resident historian Dr. Juan Garcia educates us on the rapid rise and fall of the Inca Empire, one of South America's great empires and the largest in pre-Columbian America. On Wine Wednesday, our expert Bartholomew Broadbent meets Amanda Johnson of Spy Valley, a family-owned winery in New Zealand, to discuss and taste some of the wines that they produce. Then on Thursday, Anne Diamond chats with Ben Schott, the British writer, photographer and author of the Shott's Miscellanies and Shott's Almanac series. And they'll talk about different things, including his new book, Jeeves and the Leap of Faith. And on Foodie Fridays, we make one of my very favorites, soufflé. So impressive to serve and actually so easy to make, as my dear Viking colleague Alexandra Buclair shows us. Alexandra works in our California office, but was born and raised in France. And today, on Foodie Friday, she shows us how to make both a delicious cheese soufflé and a chocolate soufflé. And to cleanse our minds from clutter and work off all that deliciousness after the soufflés, Mona Therese takes care of us on Saturday with this week's yoga session. And on Sunday, to fill our hearts and souls with joy through her angelic being, is Sissel again, who performs some beloved classics in a first of a series of Christmas songs. And what many of you might not know is that Christmas in Norway, or the rest of much of Scandinavia for that matter, really is not Christmas without Sissel. And it's been that way for as long as I can remember, and it will be that way this year as well, even though it'll be a very different Christmas for all of us who celebrate it. But Sissel is an icon in Scandinavia. She's a national treasure. She's also a Viking godmother, and we're very proud to call her a dear friend. So we hope you enjoy Sissel on Sunday and all the rest of our programming this week. And we also, of course, hope that you are most importantly healthy these days and happy. We're sending you lots of love from here in Norway to you over there. Bye.